Good afternoon. My name is Craig Buchanan, and tonight we have our open house here at North Park Elementary School from 5:30 to 7:30. We have lots of good community vendors that have came out and showing their support to our families and students. And we look forward to this night, and we've had a good turnout so far. A little bit about what we do here at Families First Resource Center. We do basic needs. We will do food, clothing. We will try to link families with resources in the area if they need help with utilities, housing, adult education, mental health counseling for children and their families. And we partner with a lot of local agencies just to support our community here in Radcliffe. For more information, please call 270-352-2800 or email craig.buchanan@hardin.kyschools or ivytaylor@hardin.kyschools.
Hi, my name is Sabrina Morgan. I am the Title I coordinator for North Park Elementary here in Hardin County. We are a Title I school. Title I is federal funding that the schools get. We use that money to do volunteer activities, family engagement activities, pay for staff, pay for student activities, all types of wonderful things that we do through Title I program. Also, we have a parent advisory council as well as a district advisory council. Parents can sign up. We meet only twice a year. We talk about things like our family engagement policy and our school compact. They have the opportunity to put in suggestions and concerns and modify things that best fits the need of our school here in Radcliffe. For more information about Title I, contact North Park Elementary, 270-351-4464. My email address is sabrina.morgan@hardin.kyschools.us.
I'm Diane Kelly from Hardin County Skills U. Most people know us as the GED people, and that we are. But we do so much more. We can help you prepare for college, help you prepare for employment. Give us a call at 769-8866. Hardin County Skills U, we are here to serve you.
Good evening. I'm Beth Brandenburg at North Park Elementary School. We are super excited to welcome our families back to school to our back to school bash tonight. We have several new staff members in preschool and kindergarten this year and several new instructional assistants. We are also super excited to start off this year with 3 child care rooms. We're going to have a birth to 2 and a 3 to 5, as well as a wraparound preschool child care after school care wraparound care room this year, and we are excited to welcome all those new families and all our new preschool and kindergarten families to North Park this year. It's going to be the best year yet. We are stronger together. If you need more information, please call 270-351-4464.
Hi, I'm Amy Wood, and I'm the coordinator for Hardin County Schools After School Program, the SACC program. I'm also the coordinator over the preschool wraparound care available for preschool students at North Park Elementary. We have just recently opened the Hardin County Early Learning Academy, and that is for Hardin County employees and full-time ECTC students. So if you'd like more information on how to enroll in any of these programs, you can contact me. I'm Amy Wood, and my number at Central Office is 270-769-7926. Thank you.